Now to the distribution of COVID vaccines and a glimpse into life after the shot. The CDC releasing new guidelines detailing what they recommend people can do once they get fully vaccinated. Tonight, our Ashley Paredes breaking down the guidance and hearing from Arizonans about this big step to normalcy. Ashley?
The CDC guidelines are new and they tell us more about the effectiveness of the vaccine as it's bringing some hope to those who are fully vaccinated already. Arizonans getting a first look at what our next new normal will look like.
It just gives you this sense of we're getting there.
New guidance from the CDC stating people at least 2 weeks out from their final shot can visit with other fully vaccinated people indoors without masks or distancing. You can also visit with unvaccinated people from one other household if they are low risk for severe disease. The CDC says you can also skip quarantine and testing if you're exposed to someone who has COVID and you're not showing any symptoms. Dr. Shad Marvasti sharing his perspective.
This is huge. I think this basically comes from accumulation of data from around the world, basically showing that people who are vaccinated are very, very unlikely to be points of spreading the virus.
But vaccinated people still have to be careful. Health experts say they should still wear a mask and social distance in larger settings.
This recommendation comes with 2 households, not big, large groups of people. So the more people you introduce, the more opportunities there is for spread, especially if you look at indoor settings that are poorly ventilated.
That is to protect both those fully vaccinated and unvaccinated. What we know about the vaccine is that it helps decrease the chance of becoming infected, but it doesn't fully prevent it. Instead,
every single COVID-19 vaccine that's been approved is able to prevent you from getting severely ill to the point of being hospitalized or dying from COVID-19. Once you're fully vaccinated.
Charlie Dietrich is a strong woman who beat cancer last year and is hoping to beat COVID this year by getting vaccinated.
You just feel safer. Absolutely.
Saying it can happen if we all work together.
We all have to do our part. We all have to roll up our sleeve, for starters, and get that vaccine. It's so simple. It's so important. And it's going to make everything in the future so much easier for all of us to get back together with our friends and family.
As for travel, the CDC still advises that you avoid it until more people can get vaccinated. I'm Ashley Paredes, ABC 15, Arizona.